So we are rearranging furniture and deep cleaning the bedroom. Louise has been under the bed probably for what? What time is it? 1:30? So probably going on 3 hours now. But Louise often spends hours and hours at a time under the bed. You coming up? Now, this little ottoman here, she usually uses to get on the bed because, as you can see, the bed is pretty high. And Opie is a tripod, same leg missing, and he does not have a problem jumping. He is much more athletic than Louise is, but Louise has always been kind of, I don't know, more delicate. So let's see what she does. Louise is available for adoption through Feline Urban Rescue in Rehab. She does not like dogs. I still think it was an animal that attacked her and led to the injury that cost her leg. Come on, honey. Come on, Louise. Come on. Coming up? No? Where you going? See, this whole area had my desk in it. Oh, I gotta crawl under the bed and move that cord because I think we're gonna put that over by those dumbbells. There's a surge protector. We're gonna put that under the desk. And if I do all this and it doesn't reach, I'm gonna be very upset. You coming? I got other things to do, Wheezy. You coming up? You upset because I put the book there? Do I need to move it? Can you jump on it? That's the problem. You don't like this photo album. How about that? That better? We do it now? Or am I in the way? Come on. Come on, Weeza. There you go. That better? There you go. Come on up. Come on up. Yes, I know that's a very stinky photo album because it went through the 2005 flood. That is my baby book, Louise. Come on. Come on. Come on up. Come on up. Oh, yeah. Yep, Opie's up here. Coming up? Come on. Come on, Weezy. Stop giving him stink eye and get up here. Come on. Are you coming up? Come on, I gotta finish cleaning. You gotta finish cleaning. Come on. Forgive my sniffles. I have a severe dust allergy, and I only have a regular dose of allergy meds in me, so. Come on, love. Come on. You want to take a nippy? Come on, let's take a nap. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're so beautiful. Come on, beautiful kitty. Louisa. Louisa kitty. Come on. Come on, my little girl. Come on. Louise does not like sudden movements. Come here, my baby. Yeah. Come on. Get up here. Get up here so I can get down. No? You're going under the bed? Okay, bye-bye.